We left off by having made an array of 100 random numbers and placing them on the screen. After placing the numbers themselves, it might be fun to make some shapes instead of using text. So I could use these random numbers. I want to do ellipse R, I. Again, I, there is no variable Ri. There's R0, R1, R2, all the way up to R99. But we use I so we don't have to write out each and every one of those different variables. So say Ri, I don't know if I put them at 250, make them 10 by 10. We're going to get a whole bunch of little ellipses spaced randomly across the screen. But if we wanted to space them not just horizontally in a random fashion, but vertically too, it's not going to work if I say Ri in the x and the y value because it's going to be the same for each ellipse, and we're going to get just a big diagonal line. So in order to have them spaced all over the screen, we need a second array. I'm going to change this from R to X because I'm going to use it as an X value, and it's better to have that name. And now I'm going to make another one for Y. I'm literally just going to copy and paste, change this X to a Y. I'm going to copy and paste. Notice you can initialize the values for two different arrays in one for loop as long as the arrays are the same size. If they are different sizes, you're going to get an error if you try to initialize more values than you have items in that array. Again, down here, I'm going to make that a Y. And now you've got 100 dots all over the screen. I know you don't think it's 100 dots, it's definitely 100 dots. What if I wanted 1,000 dots? All I would have to do is go change. If I just change them up here, I've got 1,000 dots, but I'm only giving value to and displaying 100 of them. So you need to make sure you change that value to 1,000 everywhere. And you've got 1,000 dots. Pretty good, right?